What's going on, folks? I want to show you something that you could use just in case you have an issue, say with rats and mice or something getting into your house. And say, for example, you know where they're coming in at from the inside or the outside, but say it's hard for you to get to it, say to patch it up with some wood or to put something to cover it up. But for the time being, there's a great product that I had used on this lady's house that was having problems with getting mice into her house. That's a repellent, which is called Tomcat. And we used it about a month ago. I sprayed it in the area that she said that she saw mice coming in at, and I came back about a month later to check on her, and she said she had no more issues with the mice coming in from that area right there. This is what it's called right here. It's called Tomcat rodent repellent, and as you can see right here, it's safe for use around kids and pets, and it'll last for probably about a month or so or longer, as well as it's good for you to spray from the inside of your house as well as the outside of your house. And normally what may happen is if you spray this stuff, and what it is, it's like a scent that pretty much has been tested that show that rats and mice pretty much stay away from it. It kind of chases them away. And a lot of times if you could keep them away from your house for say a month or so, they may not come back at all, because most time they may find somewhere else to go at and stop coming. So what you want to do with this is you'll just find a location either outside of your house that you think they're coming in at and spray this around it, as well as say in the inside. Say inside of your house, say behind your dishwasher or something. You notice that there's mice or something coming from back there. You want to spray this back there, and it should stop them from coming in. It has kind of like a strong minty smell to it, but after about a day or so it kind of goes away where you don't smell it no more, but it's still going to be smelled by the rat and mice to keep them from coming to your house. I'm going to show you basically where I sprayed this out on the outside of this lady's house real quick. I'm going to show you in a second. Alright folks, so like I said, I'm using a Tomcat pretty much on this lady's house right here. Like for example, she was saying that she had saw mice and stuff coming in like right through this gap right here behind this downsprout. So of course she said in the future she's supposed to be getting it fixed, but she's going to have to remove the siding and all that to pretty much fix this gap. So this is where I took the Tomcat and all I did was shake it up and kind of spray it back there like that, basically in a location to where she believes that she's seen mice coming in from the outside of the house, away from also from the inside of the house. So also what we did was we went inside the house and I found where this location was inside the house, and I also sprayed some of this from the inside, pretty much to also stop them if they did come through here. Maybe it will stop them also inside the house. Alright folks, once again I wanted to take this time to show you our product that you may be able to use to take care of a rat or mice problem that you may be having in your house, especially if for some reason you're not able to patch up the hole to where the mice or rats are getting inside. Alright folks, please check out the other helpful videos. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.